this should be the challenge of the young people.
BJP Minister A.L. Haq has dismissed claims that the party's poor performance in Meghalaya elections is due to allegations of being anti-Christian. Haq, himself a Christian, highlighted his own electoral success as a BJP candidate, along with other Christian candidates who have won under the party's banner. He emphasized that the key to winning elections in Meghalaya lies in identifying strong, winnable candidates rather than focusing on religious-based assumptions.
Tapi mengiru job na BJP te. Tapi aku tate buat Kristian yang nunggu show tu yang job dalam BJP. Kita buat kita nu gede main hi candidate manikong ada candidate. Apa Meghalaya jongi hitam dia tangga BJP be tangga Koral be tangga NPP kita pet yo ya candidate. Rayo aku dia gobiang bagi supaya action ni ada kecil. Ada dia dengan nunggu parti dengan nunggu uniform.
The BJP